Next in CSS, we have to achieve this grid layout. So this is our Amit code, and here within body section, here I'm giving one div to which I will be assigning class container. So div dot container, and within this div I'll be designing few more div with class item assigned to it. This is our first one, second, third, six, 9 and 12. So inside this container there we have 12 more divs to which we have assigned class item. Now here in head section, to give CSS we have to use style tag, and within this style tag, first of all I'm going to remove all the margin and padding. So margin is 0 and padding is also 0. Next we have to create container class. First of all, here I'm going to give width and height to this container. So width is 100% and height I'm giving is 100 VH view height. Here I'm giving background color to dark magenta, and we have to set display property to grid. Then I'm going to divide it in 4 columns. So for that grid template columns, here I'm giving 1 FR, 1 FR, 1 FR and 1 FR, and then a row gap and column gap. Here I'm giving 1 pixel and column gap is also 1 pixel. Save. Right now it hasn't done anything to our browser. So this is our container div of width 100% and height 100 VH. So next we have to design our class item. In this item class, first of all I'm giving background color to aqua. We can see that we have got blocks in our container. Next I'm giving border to 1 pixel solid black, and padding is also 12 pixel, and here I'm putting some text. Save, and so this is our div inside the container div. Now here we have to merge rows. We are not going to merge first row or last row, first column or last column. We are just referring to middle rows. So for that, item is our class name, and here to refer middle rows we have to use nth child, and we are starting with row number 2, so we have to put 2 here, and here within grid column. Now here we are starting with column number 2 and we are merging up to column number 3. We are not here referring to lines, we are writing column. That is, it is going to merge 3 columns. And for row, we will start from row number 2 and will merge 3 rows. Save, and so we can see that it has merged 3 columns. We are starting from column number 2 and row number 2. So this is the region from it will start merging, and it will merge 3 rows and 3 columns. So it has merged 3 columns and 3 rows. Next we have to merge this first row. So for that, here dot item first child, and what we have to do here is grid column. Now here we have to start from column number 1 slash then span. We have to merge 4 columns, so we have to put 4 here. Save. So it has merged 4 columns. This is the extra space which we got after merging these cells. And now we have to merge last column. So here what we have to do, dot item last child, and here we have to give grid column, and we are starting from column number 1 and will go up to column number 4. Save. So this is our page. Now we can remove this as well. This row we can merge. So what we have to do here, instead of 3, first of all I'm putting 4. We have to put 5 here. It will merge 5 rows. Save. So we have got the structure. Same way, the way we have merged all these things, we can merge these cells also. Here we can put our navigation bar. Here we can put our content, whatever we want to put.